Welcome, Muscle Matters for Seniors. Jack LaLanne said dying is easy, living takes work. We are living longer today than in Jack LaLanne's days. Our objective today is successful aging, which is the ability to maintain a low risk for disease, high mental function, physical function, and engagement in life. Only 5% of seniors achieve this fit elite status. One of our biggest battles is age-related muscle loss, frailty. It's called sarcopenia. It's a natural part of aging. After age 30, you begin to lose as much as 3 to 5% per decade. Most men will lose about 30% of their muscle mass during their lifetimes. That's why muscle matters for seniors. Strength training and cardiovascular exercise helps us maintain successful aging. It lowers our risk for disease, helps us maintain high mental and physical function and engagement in life. So even if I'm not in the mood to work out, I do it anyway as my commitment to my successful aging because my muscles matter. I hope you found this helpful. Stay happy, healthy, and strong.